You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this beautiful name. I love this name. It comes from French originally, and therefore there are different pronunciations in English, although there's one that is more common. So in French it's pronounced Carine, Carine, and in French there's no stress on any particular syllable, either the first or the second. Therefore in English there are two interpretations for this name. The most common pronunciation in English is as Carine, with a stress on the second syllable. Some may say Carine, with a bit more of an R sound. Carine, alright? Now, the second pronunciation in English is as Carine, Carine. Some may say Karen, perhaps also as well. And that's because it comes from French Carine. Therefore, you can say it different ways in English. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Do you pronounce it with a stress on the first syllable, the second? Carine, or Carine, or Karen? Let us know in the comments so we can learn your pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.